यूट्यूब चैनल में। जैसा कि हमारी फ्रेमवर्क डेवलपमेंट की लेक्चर सीरीज चल रही है, हम आज उससे आगे बढ़ेंगे। कल गाइस मैंने आपको एक in yesterday lecture I told you like how to create the smoke test feature file. By mistaken I have created the smoke like feature file under this Java folder, but you don't need to create the file under this Java folder. You have to create one resource folder, and under this resource feature folder and then smoke.feature. So you can create here feature file, and today we're gonna create the file, and we're gonna create a runner class, and second one we have a step definition. So both are the folders. So first we will create the folder. Let's say go to here, new, uh, here just provide your runner. This is a runner class, and the next one we have a step definition. So under step definition we will write a we'll go to here, package, we will provide step definition name, step definition, step definition. Yeah. So these two folder I have created. So first I'll let you know like what is the runner class and step definition, and what is the feature file. So feature file, under feature file we will write the scenarios in the Gherkins language, like given, when, then, and so these kind of scenarios we will write under this smoke feature file. And second we have a runner class, and like step definition. So runner class is nothing but it's a Java class, and through runner class we can trigger our automation test scenarios, and automation test scenarios, let's say in a smoke test feature file I will write 5 scenarios, and I want to write specific any 2 scenarios. So from runner class I will provide the tags here in runner class, and then I will execute that test cases. So automatically once I will compile this runner class, so automatically the based on the tags which I will describe you, which I will show you in the upcoming lecture, what is tags and annotations and everything. So once I will click on it, I will trigger here, automatically the test case will trigger, and under runner class we will provide the path of step definition and feature file. So this is called a runner class. So if somebody asks what is runner class, so you can simply give the answer. Runner class is nothing but it's a Java class which is generally used to trigger the test cases based on the tags, and or either we can execute the test cases, test scenarios. Second, we have a step definition. Step definition is nothing but it's our Java code. It's a logic which we will define in under the step definition. Step definition is also a class, Java class. So where we will define all the step definitions, and that will be auto generated once we will write any scenario in the feature file, and then we will compile this file. So automatically a step definition we will generate, and here I will paste in this Java class. So that is step definition. So guys, will create the classes, and we will create the classes in upcoming lecture, and scenarios as well in upcoming lecture, and I will explain each and everything. So that's all for today. Thank you guys. Please, if you like this lecture, please subscribe my channel, and comment if you have any doubt or anything, you can comment. So thank you.